Hello, welcome back. In this video, we'll see how to integrate Pega's open-source Constellation Mobile SDK into a native iOS application, connected to a Pega Infinity 26 instance. We'll begin by cloning the Constellation Mobile SDK repository from GitHub. Once the repository is cloned, we can build the SDK with the help of Gradle command. We can generate the XC framework, and this framework can then be integrated into any native iOS application. The Constellation Mobile SDK currently supports Pega Infinity 24 and 25. Since the Infinity 26 trial was the only environment available to us, we used it for this demo. We encountered a few compatibility issues, resolved them successfully, and documented the complete setup along with the fixes. You'll find the details in our documentation. Inside Xcode, the sample SwiftUI application requires only a few configuration values in the info.plist file. We specify the URL of our Pega Infinity server, the case type that will be created, and the OAuth configuration used for authentication. The SDK uses OAuth 2.0 with PKC, so it operates as a public client without requiring a client secret. With that configuration in place, we're ready to launch the application. This is a standard native iOS application. The first time you launch the app, you're taken to Pega's own login page to sign in. The app never handles your credentials directly. It receives an access token back through OAuth. The form is now rendered using native SwiftUI components. We can navigate through the different views, populate the fields, and interact with the experience as we would in any native mobile application. As we move through the form, dynamic data loading, field dependencies, validations, and business rules continue to be managed by Pega. The Constellation Mobile SDK renders the Pega-managed experience using native components while keeping the application aligned with the server-side case logic. Once the information is complete, we submit the form, completing the assignment and advancing the case through its stages in Pega. Now let's switch to Infinity Studio and verify the case created from the mobile application. We'll open the newly created case and confirm that the details entered in the native mobile experience have been successfully captured in Pega. For detailed information about the setup steps and the issues we encountered while running this on Pega Infinity 26, please refer to the article linked below. Thanks, and see you soon.